Sit down.
Sit down.
Let's be civil.
I'm being civil. I'm asking you nicely to sit down.
All right, you will sit down and we would like to.
Okay, well, that's fine. Sit down.
All right.
Go ahead.
All right.
No answer to your question.
All right.
Gentlemen,
So, can you ask the
gentlemen, I was led to understand that you wanted the question asked. What is the solution for the 11 million illegals here now? Was that the question you wanted to have answered?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now sit down. We'll ask the question.
We will ask that question again, and Randy, maybe you want to focus a little bit more on that specifically, and I think you and I were talking earlier tonight. We need to secure the border. We were promised in 1986 that the border would be secured, and 3.5 million illegal aliens at that time were given amnesty. They gave the amnesty, they did not secure the border. I've asked Randy, let's just fund the secure border that was promised in 1986. We need to secure the border. We need to put a guest worker program in place for those who are on this side of the border when it's secured. And then we figure out the pathways and the resolutions to how to handle those afterwards. But I'll let Congressman Rank Weber answer it. But the question's now been asked.